Today I'm gonna transform this old top on clothes to Elsa. Let's do it! I like the bottom line on this top. I'm gonna make a dress. I bend the material. I measure and I cut. I cut where I bend the material. For an easy job, I use pins. I put the doll and bend the material again. And now I cut this side. It's time to sew it. Let's choose some color. This one is the same with the dress. And I start to sew. For me to sew it like this. One lateral side. From here to here, I repeat on the other side, and then I sew on the shoulders. I want to try this dress immediately. Look at it, it's very pretty. It's so comfy. Definitely is my favorite dress.